Believe it or not, these officers were responding to reports of a public disturbance.
Go away! Go!
Hey, Chloe.
I don't care!
Chloe,
What?
relax.
What? What?
Chloe, if you keep yelling, you're gonna go to jail.
No! Like what? Get away from me!
I'm gonna knock on the
Please
door.
don't arrest me! I'm having a panic attack!
Calm down.
Stop yelling at me! Please don't make it! Don't let me go to jail! My name is Lenny! Let me go, Lenny!
Chloe.
Just leave me now!
Chloe, take a deep breath.
Leave me alone! I'm having a panic attack! Dad!
Hi.
Dad! Don't! Mom! Don't! Jail! Don't let me in jail!
Stop yelling.
Why are you yelling?
They're not gonna take you if you stop yelling. Stop yelling.
Ma'am, could I talk to you over here?
Chloe.
Okay. Hey, just relax. Look, it's...
I can't.
I know. It's not against the law to yell, but if a lot of people start calling,
Nothing I can do.
I know.
Because I came out here, we tried to, and this is what she does to us. There's nothing, we understand, but there is literally nothing we can do because...
Are you Chloe's mom?
No!
Okay.
They're like, what? Dude, stop! Stop talking!
Well, look,
Stop!
we're gonna leave, but if this... Okay.
What's wrong with
I'm talking to Dad. How's it going today, sir?
So rather than sit there and yell at the door with her, so this is my daughter. She's
Right.
an absolute drug addict. Literally, we have no control of her. Mm-hmm. All it does when we engage her is it just goes up and up and up until then it turns physical. And she's been in and out of rehab. She's been in jail. So I don't know what to do. I don't know what to say.
Okay.
And we can't engage her.
Chloe,
sit
down.
What am I doing?
Okay. Chloe, just relax. You're not in trouble. Just relax and sit down. You're not in any trouble, okay?
Bro, leave me alone. Get
Okay.
that freak away.
We'll leave you alone. We'll leave you alone if you stop screaming, okay? So just relax.
So the only time she comes back here, is basically she will come and sleep for 3 days and that's it.
The only reason why we're out here today is because someone called in. I guess I don't know if she was knocking on someone's door or something like that, or...
Let's leave her.
Do you guys have any issues that are being on your property or anything like that, or...
I want her safe, but I can't go talk to her and be safe.
Right, without it escalating.
Shut up!
Hey, if you keep screaming, you're gonna go to jail.
Well, just tell her.
Don't
Let me
stop.
tell her,
Stop
why
screaming.
is she talking about me?
Stop
Like,
screaming.
Like, just be quiet, Laura!
Hey.
Be quiet!
I'm not gonna tell you again. I don't know. My partner already told you, but it's obviously not against the law to yell. But if she's making this much noise, I know people are gonna call. And the moment multiple people start calling, then it becomes an issue.
And honestly, I don't care if you take her. I don't know what to do. I want to help you guys.
I know. If we could help, we would have done so already, and I'm sure you would have done the same. So we're gonna leave right now. I don't want to stay and provoke her in a sense, so we'll leave. But like I said, we'll be back if people are calling, because we can't ignore those calls.
If there's things that we can do to help you guys, we certainly will.
Okay. All right, we appreciate that.
All right,
Thank you.
She was walking in the middle of the street right there.
Hey, Chloe, you need to go to the hospital?
Don't be here. Just down the line. Stop doing this. Stop making it seem like I want him.
Chloe, can I give you a ride somewhere?
I'm married. Down and stop. I'm not lost. I'm not doing. Don't know.
How can we help you today, Chloe? Can we help you?
Just let me go.
She was like walking right in the middle of the highway. Cars were coming. She stopped right in like that little median.
Hey, so I just want to see what you think. One more chance, or I don't know. She's really out of it today. It's one of her bad days, I guess. We could give her another chance. I know it's just a matter of time. She just says, "Oh, I'm trying to go over here," and points in a direction, and she's just freaking out and screaming and says she wants it to stop, and she's grabbing her skin like, I don't know, like bugs are crawling on her, it looks like, I don't know. Okay, alright. This is her last chance then. Alright, sounds good, sir. Hey, she's gonna fight. Chloe! What are you doing?
Nothing.
You alright? You calm down a little bit?
Stop. Tell him to stop.
Tell who to stop? Who's trying to hurt you? Hey Chloe, is someone trying to hurt you?
Go away. Go away. I'm fine. Go away.
Chloe,
Go away.
people keep calling on you.
Hey, go. I can yell. It's like a song. No. Make it no fun anymore.
Come on Chloe, we gotta go.
No, I can stay here. I'm not doing anything.
So right now you're kind of on the property of these people. They just want you to go, just leave.
What do you mean? I'm not in front.
Chloe, come up here to the street. We'll be able to talk to you, okay?
Why? I don't have to be on anyone's property.
I know
I'm
this
not.
is private property.
No, it's not.
Come
They're
up.
okay with it. They're cool with it. Go ask them.
Chloe, don't you want to just not bother anybody else, right? Let's just go up to the street.
Chloe,
Go away. I'm not doing anything.
Chloe, let's get off this people's property, okay?
I'm not anyone's property. I'm not on property. I'm in water. People come right in and fish. People do that. Go.
Chloe, they're just asking you to leave.
No, they're who?
The
Go away.
neighbors right here.
Why?
Chloe.
No, I don't have to. That's not their yard. I used to come here all the time.
I know, but you have to go because people keep calling on you.
That's all. Come on, let's just go up here to the street. We'll
No,
talk
I
more.
don't have to. I really don't have to. Go away. I haven't done anything wrong. I'm just crying. I can cry. It's fine. He's watching me. Look, that girl's watching me. I'm just fine. I can be in the water. I'm talking to her. Huh? I was talking to them, huh? We were talking.
Chloe, let's just get going.
Let's just leave. Come on.
No, I don't have to leave.
Want to go to your house?
No, you're not gonna arrest me when I get on the street. I can go. Oh, it's a road. That's a road. I can go on the road, and you guys can go away. Go away. I don't have to leave. This is not their yard.
So we
property.
can't leave you alone until we go to the street.
No, I
that's just-
can't because they're right there.
Chloe, you keep telling us how we have to do this job. We just want you to get out of the water.
No, just leave me alone. No, you're not. You cannot.
Chloe, people keep calling.
No, they don't.
How did we know
Who
that you were right
cares?
here?
Then I don't know. Stop lying.
Chloe,
Go away.
we're not gonna go anywhere.
Okay, well, then we'll go to the road, but you're not gonna arrest me. You're just gonna leave. You know what I'm not gonna do? You have to tell me what's going to happen when I go to the road.
We just need you to leave, that's it.
No, and I will. So what is gonna happen when I go to the road?
We're all just gonna leave.
What the fuck, dude?
I don't control who calls.
Stop! You don't have to do any of that. Just leave it. Oh, stop. What? Why are you arresting me? I'm not doing anything wrong. You have to tell me first.
Good.
Stop already. Why are you arresting me? I'm not at the road yet. I have no reason to be arrested. What's your reason? What is the reason? You have to tell me now. Stop. This is like, stop.
You're under arrest for disorderly conduct,
But what
okay?
the hell's going? I'm asking questions. I can ask questions, sir. How was I supposed to know? I was just asking you guys questions. No.
Do you have anything that's gonna poke me or anything?
No.
Stop reaching.
Chloe, you need to calm down.
No, I don't have any drugs.
We
You're
didn't say
lying.
anything about drugs.
That's
Chloe,
a lie.
Chloe, we didn't say anything
You're
about drugs.
lying.
Where's that little foil? There was a
I don't
foil.
know what you're talking about. You're lying. There's no foil. You're lying. See, there's no foil. So what are you talking about? There's no, that's
Okay,
a lie.
I'll find it.
There's no foil, so you're lying. You
I'm
don't
not
have
lying.
foil. I'm not disorderly conduct.
Yes,
How's
you
that
are.
disorderly conduct?
Have
Well,
a
just
seat.
give me the reason. Tell me how I'm disorderly conduct. When I was asking simple questions.
Have a seat.
I can ask questions.
Because 100 people are calling on you
No.
because you're acting
I'm
stupid.
not acting stupid.
Yes,
I'm
you
crying.
are.
I was
Get
crying.
in the car,
And
please.
I was crying and talking to those people.
Yeah, I saw her reaching and then I saw it fall out.
go?
It was pretty small. Oh, here it is. Let me get... That's exactly what I saw. It's all good. All right, thanks, sir.
When you become a parent, your heart lives outside you. You can only be as happy as your least happy child. Not all kids, not all pregnancies are always what you had hoped. But you can make the best of it, and my heart goes out to that parent or the parents in that video. They were clearly at wit's end. Now, in Ramsey County, Minnesota, home of St. Paul and Midwest Safety Headquarters, the new 911 call center has 2 positions dedicated for counselors, a great resource for a situation where there's no immediate threat, but help like this is still needed.
After being lucky enough to avoid being caught with anything drug-related, Chloe was charged with disorderly conduct. She is innocent until proven guilty in a court of law.